Hello traders, I hope you had a wonderful weekend. I'm back here. Today is a Monday, 18th of January and 2021, and I would like to share with you my best analysis today and the trading result. And we had a quiet session today because of the bank holiday in the US, but we managed interesting pips today. And if you would like to know how I trade and how I provide coaching and training with the real time and with the live market, and there's a video is given, link is given somewhere in the video description. Feel free to watch that one. And I'm also offering only limited time free one-to-one consultation if you would like to discuss your forex challenges, or if you are interested to learn how to learn forex trading effectively and successfully. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. So most welcome, guys. Okay, so let's back to the today's analysis. As I said to you, today we had a quiet session, but we managed 15 best analysis, beautiful trades and beautiful pips. Just to recap quickly, guys, these are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4-hour analysis, and I analyze market twice a day, just before London Open 7:30 GMT London time, and one is 2 p.m. just before opening bell. And then once I finish the live analysis, and the recording instantly available in the training section here, as you can see in this section, and I can see I did twice a day. And then also this analysis available instantly in the analysis section. And then I coach and guide my traders how to basically react to those analyses. If any opportunities raised based on those analysis, we broadcast that information instantly through live AUDUSD and in the analysis section. So as you see that one of my trader banked 65 pips, and with the based on the live analysis, and one of the traders still open, that is still is in profit, and stop loss at the break even. All right, so let me share with you his trades. He mainly traded the New York session. You can see here this one, the pound dollar, and long trade breakout based on this analysis. I'm going to share with you the 4-hour analysis. Let me share with you guys my recording, live analysis recording, and then you will understand what I'm talking.
But we'll see.
Okay,
and if you look at and if you look at the previous price, as I mentioned you this morning, price was here, so we're looking at breakouts. As you can see, price nicely respected this very beautifully, this resist support level. And if you look at the candle formation right now, you can see inside candle pattern, which is indecision mode. We can see indecision mode like inside candle pattern. And if you look at the we had this breakout and pullback short this morning. Afterwards, you can see the price is developing high. And if you look at the previous price action, you can see here the price respected this level 1, 2, 3 times, and we have another wedge has been developed. And if the price is going to break this level, then you should look at sort of like you can see head and shoulder pattern is developing. So safest way to look for trade, if the price is going to momentum is developing bullish in 4-hour, we can see inside candle pattern still possibility price might going to hit this level which is previously broken and then reverse, or if the price break, then we should be taking a long trade here. So technically we're looking at breakout opportunity on pound dollar.
All right, guys, so you can see that analysis did live, and all that broadcasted here instantly. And when the price was about to break, we broadcast that information, update information instantly through live audio commentary. And one of my traders bank, you can see he opened it twice. If I look at the system capture, this is the entry price and this is the closing price. As you can see, his trades open and closing screenshot, and he banked twice, almost 15 pips on that, like 30 pips altogether. Beautiful trade. And then he took a long on pound yen, 16 pips on this one. Again, you can see this was the breakout trade based on the analysis. As you can see here, this was the pretty straightforward breakout trade. Bank beautiful 16 pips on pound yen and pound dollar CAD. He took a short trade, banked 21 pips, and still holding one trade break even. If I show you with you guys, this was the trade, and we explained to trader the momentum is developed bearish, and if the price is going to respect this orange EMA, then we should be taking a short trade, because we explained to traders that look, head and shoulder pattern. If you look at very carefully, you can see head and shoulder pattern is developed. So if the safest way to look this one, but you can also take a short trade if the price is going to respect this orange EMA. So you can see the price respected, even breakout short trade, and he banked beautiful pips. And if you look at the analysis, based on this analysis, he banked that pips. If I show you the entry price, you can see when he entered and when he closed. So we update that information instantly, and he banked beautiful pips, still holding this trade at the break even. So you can see that he managed 65 feet very nicely and still holding one trade in profit. Okay, so let me share with you quickly other analysis. This was the pound Swiss franc, pretty straightforward. As I mentioned you at the New York session, you can see this one reversal, breakout, a long trade. We had a pound yen, beautiful breakout, long trade, and pound dollar, which is I just mentioned you, and this was the breakout pullback after the breakout pullback short trade. But this was the beautiful trade. But we had it another one, this one, yeah, that's the one, the trade analysis. You can see 1406 around about 2 p.m. London time, beautiful trade, bank beautiful pips. And this was the analysis at the London morning session. You can see 7:30 based on that, and pull back and beautiful. We announced all this pullback through live audio commentary, and you can see beautiful pips. And if you look at, this was the London morning analysis, 7:42, and breakout. As you can see, when the price was about to break, we announced this trade, and beautiful breakout and pullback short trade. We had a couple of analyses. This was the analysis at the market open. Last night we did this analysis for our Asian trader. As you can see, beautiful breakout based on the momentum, and we announced another one, pullback long trade on dollar CAD. So you can see that we do live intraday analysis, and not just broadcasting analysis. We basically keep an eye on all those analysis, and we share that information as soon as the price develop any opportunity instantly through live audio commentary support. So guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis, and if you would like to see all that analysis in real time, or even if you don't have forex trading experience and would like to learn for forex trading, we provide full forex coaching and training through this platform, because I believe you can only learn and develop forex trading skill if you see it live in real time, how the professional is analyzing it, how they're taking positions, how they're banking profit. When you see it live, your learning curves get better, and you learn forex trading effectively. And whenever you have a challenges, you can ask analyst instantly. You will get the answer instantly. So even if you are struggling it, I'm pretty sure you can develop your trading skill very quickly. Or even if you are experienced trader, I'm pretty sure you will understand all this analysis instantly, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna love to bank all that profit every single day. So guys, most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. As I said to you guys, I'm offering for limited time free one-to-one consultation, and my availability calendar link is also given somewhere in the video description. So most welcome, and thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening, and I'll see you tomorrow with another analysis. Wish you all the best, guys.